video, I would like to talk about this person I talked to. Okay, she is only in her 40s, and when I discuss about the oral live stem cells, about her health, I also discuss about the opportunity that she can enjoy once she will join the company. She will join our team. Okay, she actually replied that I have no more dreams. Okay, I mean my plans, my dreams before. It was like long forgotten. It's because right now I focus to my kids. Okay, I mean, what I understood from what she said was, um, I am already okay. I am already contented. And do you know, this kind of mindset, this kind of, there are so many of them. Actually, those who are mothers, home managers, when they got married, they forget themselves. Okay, they forget that as their children grow up, they also grow old. Okay, so so many people in their old age, they are not prepared financially, especially financially. Now, I'm so thankful that this company came to Philippines in 2016, and I was one of the hundreds, okay, of people who invited to attend the seminar, to listen to the product presentation, to listen to the business presentation, because it opened my mind. It opened my eyes. Wow, there are still so many things to enjoy in life. I've been in this business. I've been in my profession for so long, few decades, but I did not achieve something. Okay? But when I started to burn my bridges, okay, embrace the culture of this company, my parents, me and my whole family started to recover our health. So many different health issues in our body. And it's because the product is oral live stem cells. Live stem cells, so it is cell regenerating. And for since 2008, the Singapore-based company has only one health product, one product for all diseases, one product for all health problems, health issues, whatever it is, because our body is made of stem cells. So, after that, my parents started to recover from their health issues. Me also started to regain my health. Then my next focus is money. Of course, because if you have money, you have value. If you have money, you can help other people. You are not a burden or a problem to the family, to the friends, to your friends, but rather you are a solution. So money is not bad. It is a tool actually. Now, then in just less than a year that I am in this company, I already started to I can afford to attend international event, which all again open my mind. Wow, I am enjoying my health. I have already peace of mind that my parents in the province, they are getting better because of the health product, because of the live stem cells that is safe to their kidney and liver. So there is no complications whether the person is taking a handful of medicine. This product will not complicate. And remember, this product is since 2008 in the market with only one health product. Now, then, after that, I witnessed how this company pampered its people. So we don't call ourselves as distributors. We are leaders because product here is only one thing that we can enjoy in the company. For me, okay, I enjoy this health product, healthy lifestyle. We are educated on that. Okay, financial, okay, because here the income is Singapore dollar, unlimited income, and this is international business franchise. So I am in the Philippines. I build my team in different countries, everyday payout. Okay, so aside from money, okay, I also started to travel because the company spends generously to have events almost every month in different countries. So we can afford to travel. We can even afford to sponsor few leaders or members in our team to join or attend the international events. Okay, then that is the meetings, the events like that, and then also the company set or hold a quarterly seminars, leadership training seminar for us to learn more. So this is a fair ground, whether this person is grade 4, this person has two professions. I witnessed already successful people in their own businesses and field. They came to Reway and they started to become successful in the next level. So same also with people who started from nothing, they become something because they become somebody from nobody to somebody because the company is fair, open for everyone. So that's why if you are invited in this company, don't give it a second thought. Now, if you don't know, okay, what is this company, drop me a line and let me guide you wherever part of the world you are, whatever you have, wherever you have. As long as you are willing to cooperate with us, with me, then we can do that together.